Give us some revs. Let's stop. What's going on YouTube? So today's video is going to be my review of my secondary cat delete and basically overall my entire exhaust on my Camaro. So from stock I did have the NPP exhaust, so it's just a catback with the active like valve mufflers. So I did the fuse delete, so basically the valve stays open, as y'all can tell from the outside exhaust tip being black all the time because of the carbon buildup versus the inner ones. So the inner ones are like cleaner because now the valve stays open, so it diverts it only to the outside one. So basically nothing really comes out of that one except a little, like barely anything. You really feel the majority right there. So the other day I decided to get a secondary cat delete and it is amazing. So y'all just heard the cold start. It was off all night and now this is just a warm idle. That's just how it's gonna be. It sounds really good. So we'll take you guys out on the road. I'm gonna be putting the camera like on the sidewalk out on the main road, just do a couple flybys, see how y'all like the sound. Maybe one day you'd like to do it to your Camaro. So guys, we're doing some in-cabin sound with the secondary cat delete and the open valve NPP exhaust. So cruising around, 6th gear. I mean, you hear it, and if I press it a little, you'll hear it. There's gonna be drone on the highway. What do you expect? It's not like it's a pretty loud exhaust right now, so it's not gonna be subtle at all. So just downshifting at 45 miles an hour into 5th, 4th, 3rd, and now we'll go into 2nd. It's pretty loud, and now so yeah, it's pretty loud if I'm honest. There's a lot more pops and crackles now, so if you're looking for that, I think it's a really great modification to do. And so overall guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be posting more videos soon about my car as well. A lot more mods coming. So again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.